Good morning guys, in front of me is HMD XR21 and let me show you how to update apps. First of all, you have to open your Play Store. Let me just enter the password to my account. Tap on done. And now you've got access to Play Store. If you'll be doing it for another time, you will no longer have to provide this password. So now mark your account, select My Apps and Games, click on See Details under Updates Available, and now you can either update one particular application or update all apps at once. So this is it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.